The 2023 Tesla Model S is a testament to the prowess of the electric vehicle industry. As a pioneer in the field, Tesla continues to push the boundaries of what an electric car can be, and the Model S is an embodiment of that audacity. To fully understand the marvel that is the Tesla Model S, it's essential to delve into its advanced technology, high-performing drive system, luxurious interiors, and state-of-the-art safety features. The Tesla Model S has established itself as a force to be reckoned with in terms of performance. It is equipped with 2 electric motors, one for each axle, ensuring full-time all-wheel drive. This setup results in an acceleration rate that ranges from remarkable to astonishing, showcasing Tesla's unrelenting commitment to performance. Indeed, the Model S stands out not just among electric vehicles, but against a wide range of performance cars as well. When it comes to horsepower, the Model S doesn't disappoint. Even the base model delivers an impressive 670 horsepower. If that's not enough, there's the Plaid model, with its 3 electric motors combining to produce a jaw-dropping 1020 horsepower. This incredible power allows the Model S Plaid to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.1 seconds. This performance puts it in the league of multi-million-dollar hypercars, demonstrating Tesla's technological prowess. The exterior of the Model S is timeless and has aged well, with its sleek lines and sporty profile. Buyers can choose between 19 or 21-inch wheels, further enhancing the car's striking appearance. Despite being on the market for several years, the Model S continues to turn heads and draw attention wherever it goes. One of the key advantages of the Model S is its exceptional range. The base model can travel up to 405 miles on a single charge, ensuring plenty of flexibility for daily commutes and longer trips. The charging infrastructure for Tesla vehicles is also extensive and continually expanding, mitigating any potential range anxiety. Pricing for the Model S starts at $91,380 for the base model. For those seeking the extreme performance of the Plaid variant, the starting price is nearly $138,000. Although it might seem steep, the unmatched speed and performance it offers make it an exciting option for performance enthusiasts. Notably, Tesla introduced a new key card in 2023, replacing the traditional car-shaped key fob. Alongside this change, a regular steering wheel returned as a no-cost option. Current owners also have the option of a $700 retrofit. As is the norm with Tesla, further updates may be made throughout the model year, highlighting the company's commitment to constant innovation. Moving inside, the Tesla Model S boasts a lavish and spacious interior. A large 17-inch touchscreen takes center stage, providing control over many of the car's features and settings. Additionally, the car features a 22-speaker sound system, tri-zone climate control, and heated seats for added comfort. The minimalist design, complemented by ambient lighting and a tinted glass roof, creates a serene and appealing atmosphere. Safety is a priority for Tesla, and the Model S is no exception. Standard safety features include a backup camera, cross-traffic alert, rear parking aid, blind spot monitor, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. Additionally, the Model S is equipped with a tire pressure monitor, brake assist, stability control, and traction control. Multiple airbags, including a driver airbag, front head airbag, front side airbag, knee airbag, passenger airbag, and rear head airbag, enhance the car's safety credentials further. The Tesla Model S also features the Autopilot suite, a set of advanced driver assist features. This system offers semi-autonomous driving under certain conditions, including automatic steering, adaptive cruise control, automatic lane changes, and self-parking. However, it's important to note that, despite its name, Autopilot requires the driver's full attention at all times for safe operation. To protect your investment, Tesla provides a comprehensive warranty package. The basic warranty lasts for 4 years or 50,000 miles, while the corrosion warranty extends for 12 years with unlimited miles. The drivetrain warranty lasts for 8 years, also with unlimited miles, and roadside assistance is provided for 4 years or 50,000 miles. These provisions offer added peace of mind to Tesla Model S owners. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.